Everybody been on the left lane, y'all. Mustang versus goddamn ECL, boy, Camaro, man, street car. Not that fake street car, the real one. Okay. He think that one. It gon' hook. Hey, what side, Tyrone?
Bet 10.
You think it's
Bet 10.
Fuck it, I think I'm gonna take everybody bet 10. Fuck.
Bet 10.
Yeah. Fuck it, I'm gonna. What is it?
I was betting on like everything going.
I want everything.
Okay,
I don't
bet
want you
10.
bet 10.
Hey, bet 20. No, I want to bet this whole 65.
Oh, he bet the whole 65.
Damn, I don't bet that much. Bet 20. Bet 20.
Oh, here it come. Oh, here it come. Oh, I'm a winner, baby. I'm a winner. Oh, get out your ass, Tyrone. What I'm talking about? What? Food on you tomorrow, baby. Oh, he's still goosing out there. Come on, Tyrone, man. And it take. Nah, I ain't got no 10. Let me borrow the other 10 until next time I see you. They said that's a bad motherfucker. Hold on, let me. You think so?
Why you gonna bet? That long faster than this. Hey man, I think long.
Goes to the right side, Charles Hall for 30.
Know which way to go while ago.
stay locked on to what you wanted? You had to,
I'm controlling.
you control the camera too.
Yes, sir.
The camera and the drone.
Yes, sir.
Ask Harold. He'll be getting on the track and fix it. I said, Harold, the track is good the way it is. Leave it alone.
Well, they probably got a repeater for this one. They probably got that plugged in on the side of the building and repeat after this shit. Yeah, DKY is out.
Oh, man. That bitch blurry, too. That bitch blurry. That's pretty blurry. They fucking it up. They gonna make me turn into a hacker on me. Damn, I almost couldn't keep up with them.